All right, so without further ado, let's check out this week's Walker's Pinsperations.
Yay! So spring was kind of a hard general thing, so...
Was it?
Well, yeah.
Yeah, spring is such a small category where nothing fits into,
Well,
so I can imagine it's very hard to find
things.
things.
It's so large and just general, so...
I get that a lot. That's okay. So let's see what we have for Pinsperations this week.
Yeah.
This one's really cool.
Yeah, flowers. I think about flowers.
This one's like stacked and then has some leaves on it, looks like?
Yeah, and notches and all kinds of stuff. I think you can actually buy this template online.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
Very
if
cool.
you just look up sunflower template, I think it's really nice.
Very, very cool. I think it's a cool way of using layered items in different ways.
Yeah, just imagine if that's like a light.
Ooh, that'd be really cool.
Yeah.
Especially with acrylic.
Acrylic clear. Cool.
All right, what else we got?
All right.
Look at this.
So,
it is the best time of year to play baseball.
Yeah, and you can laser engrave your mitt, which that's not the coolest engraving. It's just a name. What if it had inspirational quotes? But I picked that one because that's Mo's real name.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
How cool is that? Mo is one of our longest tenured employees here. He makes sure that all of your lasers get shipped up and packed out correctly. But this is a great application because not only can you put your kid's name on your mitt, which I've had, just a few mitts in my lifetime. It's one of the few things that like you don't get a bunch of. You just have like one or two mitts. But to have a personalized name on the thumb like that, what a great way to make sure that your kid has your mitt when they leave practice at the end of the night.
Or definitely just like an inspirational quote right there. Just, as you're,
Keep your eye on the ball.
Yeah,
absolutely. All right, what else we got?
And then these are pretty.
These are the standard spring things as everyone's getting their flower beds and their little herb gardens planted. These little labels are great.
They're super easy. And we actually have these files online if you want them.
Absolutely. Free file you can get for a download. And what a great thing to do to go out and plant and mark where you've planted some of your things for your garden this year.
So you can have like basil, pancake, and,
That's his three food groups. Basil, pancake, and whatever else.
Yeah.
Okay. What else we got?
And then...
How fun is this?
That's not the best bird feeder, but they actually caught a picture of a bird on it.
It looks like the bird's testing the limit of weight that little thing can handle, but that is a really cool laser cut thing. They really took the notches to another level. They wanted to make sure that those notches
I love
stay
notches
together.
But I love the way the seeds kind of fall out. The way that's made.
I think the seeds falling out is great, and I also love the fact they made the seed catch sort of a balcony. I think it's a really cool aesthetic.
Yeah. Now, if it only had some structural integrity, it would be perfect.
Yeah, but I think that those corners are going nowhere. I think those corners are going to be...
Yeah, but if it had like
actually, something's just holding it up.
Above,
the actual...
And that could be fancy too.
Yeah, that could be really cool. But that's a really cool one, really cool project there. Yeah, it almost looks photoshopped.
It looks really good though.
Yeah.
I mean, it might be.
Might be.
How'd they Photoshop that breaking of the,
Yeah, no, that's tough. All right, let's see the next one. It's such an incredible picture. Yeah.
Now this... I thought it'd be cool to have the special egg on Easter, Like, as a kid,
Did you Photoshop it again?
No.
I'm just kidding.
As a kid, my dad always had the special egg, right? It was one of those pop-open ones, and it had like $5 in it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and that would be cool if it had a little place to stand.
Very, very cool. Yeah, so this is a very cool basic egg stand. You can get that project online, looks like, at the cartoonist.com.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, what else we got?
Now this, I just thought tank top. And I don't see this enough. I want to see more laser cut clothing.
Yeah, this is very, very cool. So it looks like they took a tank top and just laser cut a pattern out from it?
Yeah, and you can do this and it'll work especially well if it's plastic-based material.
Oh, right. So
if it's cloth, it's going to fray.
Right.
But what is a good plastic-based? Like
polyester.
Polyester, there we go. Thank you, Scott. Polyester works really well.
Scott for the win.
Got a comment on Facebook. Melody, sorry.
Oh, Jeanette says she appreciates us being on time. Me too.
Oh, looks like Melody's made those for Gardens for a Friend. Very, very cool. Also, Jim, how's it going? What a neat bird feeder. We agree, Jim. Very, very cool one. Jeanette, always good to have a date on time. Jeanette's also wondering what kind of mailbox could be made on the Muse. Pretty cool one, actually. The way I've seen some people do it is side by side. So like each side of the mailbox is maximize the size of the work bed. I've seen some with living hinge roofs. I've seen some with really cool front doors. I've seen some with like kind of odd doors that doesn't look like they'd fit in, but the way they've.
At one point, we were going to make a whole mailbox. Remember?
I think that was a proposed project. Maybe that's something we can challenge Walker to in the coming weeks to make a mailbox.
Cool mailbox.
Yeah, absolutely. We'll size it for the Muse and maybe make it on a Pro.
Yeah.
All
I hear mailmen don't like individual mailboxes.
Heard that too. Heard mailmen actually don't like personalized mailboxes either. They like simple mailboxes that open easily.
When I was in Rhode Island, I saw a manatee one. A giant manatee that was just holding a mailbox.
That's pretty awesome.
It was cool and dumb looking at the same time.
All right, what else we got for Pinspiration?
Through the mailbox. Oh, and spring. The last example is an actual laser cut slinky.
How do you laser cut a slinky? That's
So
not...
this is pretty cool. This is on in Instructables. This guy 3D printed a PLA tube, and he used his laser and a rotary attachment to actually cut it.
Oh.
And so he created a slinky, or spring.
Spring. That's
You get
so
it?
useful. Yeah, so
I know all the work that goes into making a $1 item that will break.
Yeah, like, so essentially they wanted to ensure that did not last through handing it to someone.
No, a child would look at that.
Like,
and
here, check
crumble
out this slinky. Oh, great.
That's cool.
Yeah.
It's biodegradable.
It's still neat, obscure application.
Yeah, really weird.
Yeah.
The things
I've never
you
seen
can
someone
do.
cut with the rotary.
No,
Yeah,
me
it's kinda
neither.
neat, yeah.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe, it's over here, and we've got a lot more videos over here.
Hey everybody, you like my video?